of the day. No matter what comes your way, don't lose your joy. No matter what comes your way, don't lose your joy. A group of alumni got together to visit their old professor. The conversation among them soon turned into complaints about their stressful work and life. The professor went to his kitchen and returned with a large pot of coffee and an assortment of cups, including plastic, glass, crystal, some plain looking and some expensive. The professor told them to help themselves with serving the coffee. After all the students had a cup of coffee in their hand, Professor said, "Did you notice all the nice looking cups are taken and only the plain inexpensive ones are left behind? What all of you wanted was coffee, not the cup. But all of you consciously went for a good looking, expensive cup and began eyeing on each other cup. Let's consider that life is the coffee and the job, wealth, material are the cups. However, the type of cups we have does not define or change the quality of our life. Sometimes we fail to enjoy the coffee by concentrating only on the cup we have. So, no matter what comes your way, don't lose your joy. Thank you. Have a great day.